Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix the procedure entry point could not be located in the dynamic link library message very easily. Let's get started. The first thing, go to Google Chrome and type in Visual C Redistributable. The first website that's gonna pop up is gonna be this one, and it's exactly the one that we need. Make sure you click on it. Scroll down a little bit, you're gonna find here the latest supported version. Click here under section, then click on the x64 link to download it. Once it's downloaded, make sure you click here in the downloads folder to open the file that we have downloaded. Now to install this, click here to agree to the license terms and conditions, then install. Once it's finished installing, you're gonna need to restart your computer by clicking on restart. That's gonna be shown on the screen. The process is not finished yet. After restarting your computer, go to the start menu here and search for CMD. Click on command prompt. And here you're gonna need to type in SFC space, then /, then type in scan now, and then press enter on your keyboard. You want to wait for a few minutes for the verification until it's complete. This is how our problem is easily solved. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Drop a like and subscribe if this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.